Okay guys, si BJ guys, kita og Kaido guys. Ayan guys, kita nyo guys. Ayun, oh. Ano yung isda na yan mga idolo? Ano daw, klaro ninyo guys. Saan isda na guys, oh. Guys, paki-comment guys kung saan isda na guys. Ito ka Jay. Ayun, oh. Saan na yun?
Kaido.
Saan na yun? Ayun. Fish ba yun?
Kaido. Swimming na si Kaido, swimming.
Isda na Jay?
Swimming si Kaido.
Stick naman siguro na Jay. Arwana? Rumpi. Giant rumpi. Guys, oh, giant rumpi. Share, subscribe, follow for more. J-Rice TV.
Kaido swimming.
Guys, Lemolonai Beach Resort, home of the champions. Let's go guys, matulanan dito guys, oh. Guys, pakay guys. Let's go. Kiyang-kiyang na ko guys. Ayun na guys, dito na yung ano nila guys. Ano guys, oh. Ganda dito guys. Ligo tayo guys, free for all, libre lang guys, no entrance fee. No entrance fee, sunbathing doon guys. Wow, lubog, tinaw. Ah, ni suga no. Let's go, let's ligo VJ. Infinity Falls. May mga souvenir shop, pagkaon, reception, Lemolonai Resort. Let's go. Sound Point Divers. Hindi mag-dive guys. Let's go dive guys. Oh, yung mga first aid. Adi. Wow. Fuel tank o mga gear. Ano guys, oh. Oh, pwede magamit na guys, oh. Wow. Mga tangke o banana boat. Let's go. Guys, ready na si BJ guys for the ligo for the Sunbed Beach of the Lemolonai River Classic. Let's go, Lemolonai Beach Resort!
Maka-flow din.
Doon ang ano guys. Let's go. Morning guys. Habo kayong view diri guys. Guys, the plane sa ano guys. Ito yung sunset guys. Ayan. Pakayang cliff guys. Dagat guys. Ito na nga to guys, oh. Coal-fired power plant. Ano guys. Resort 3 guys. Like, share, subscribe, follow for more. J-Rice TV. Cliff na taas. Oh, sa bangin. nagkakahoy di eh. Lemlunay Beach Resort. Wapo guys. Cliff diving. Pool. Playground guys sa Lemlunay Beach Resort. Ayun, si BJ ready na. Napulis na dito may garden slide. Ada kami sa seesaw may ito na sila garden dito. BJ slide now. Hindi ma-basketball agad ikaw. Go! Go BJ, limpyo man. Sige. Sige. Ang tablet, iwan yan tablet. Go. Sige, go. Okay, let's go. Basketball na tayo. Guys, basketball kami ni BJ guys. Jay, basketball Jay. Okay lahang menu guys. Lemlunay corn beef hotdog. So today's special Xio Prito Korean.
Yes, we can pwede mag-adog sa price lang.
Starters kinilaw guys 330. Og chicken dynamite, potato chips of Cropek. Best seller. Soy garden salad, sandwich, rice nila guys. Plain platter is 220. Sila seafood, malasugi, chicken delight. Sila dessert. Bar menu. Na sila liquor. And guys, Lemlunay Beach Resort. Follow, like, subscribe, follow for more. And guys, Aqua Plus X G-Race TV. Salamat Aqua Plus sa sponsor. And guys, coffee sa morning. Huwag na ay bangus, fried bangus with egg at saka rice. At saka merong corn beef with egg at saka rice and coffee. And kay BJ is pancake with honey and egg. Thank you guys, Aqua Plus and Lemlunay Resort. Ayan na sila guys, diving na kami guys. Apas na ko sa ila guys. Ako na humanog pamahaw guys. Sana mahawa man may dirig ano guys, sardinas o talong, sigarilyas at mani. Tara guys, apas na ko diya sa akong kabro. Bro, iganapas bro. Ayan, ingat kayo dyan bro. Iko lang mo sa wala, tapos salom lang mo sa too na makita mo dek si Rina. Sweet ako di. Yun na lang pangalan ako, G-Race TV. Okay, ingat sa biyahe. Ready for take off na sila guys. Tingnan isda guys, mag-enhance pa na sila guys. Day testing na. Okay, goodbye. See you on my next video. Follow for more Jedi's TV. Yan na sila guys. I-dive na sila guys. Goodbye guys. Lagi guys, mag-ilis pa ko guys. Ilis pa ko guys kay si Lupi Atar mata guys. Like, share, subscribe Jedi's TV. Amilar, BJ. I'm the waiter guys. Okay. Ikaw. Ito na lang ako sa baba. Okay, for today's video. Guys, dinala ko na dito guys kay BJ. Special delivery J. Let's go BJ. Oh, struggle is real. Wow. Ha?